primary goal of a manufacturing data hub is to provide a path to digital transformation that doesn't involve rip and replace of existing systems and applications. All systems stay in place, but the use case requirements are modeled onto the ontology one use case at a time, allowing for an iterative approach to application replacement. Many organizations use the Strangler Fig Pattern. Check out the link in the description to learn more after you've watched this video. There are two pieces within the Data Hub that wrap the knowledge graph and that make structured legacy system replacement possible. The first is a visual drag and drop editor for developing the operational business logic of your systems. The Rhize workflow engine uses business process modeling notation as the basis for this functionality. Our platform exposes only open standards, and BPMN is the most widely used visual standard for workflow modeling. This functionality within Rhize allows users to model operational logic across disparate data sources in the most dynamic way possible. It's not just a data pump for getting information into the manufacturing data hub, it's the primary mechanism for allowing users to orchestrate operational processes and for transforming data into and out of the data hub in real time. The second feature is the GraphQL API, which provides a single access point to everything in the knowledge graph. Unlike REST APIs, there are no rigid data contracts in GraphQL, and there's no need to cascade a series of API calls to get to only the data you want. The API is self-describing and is discoverable with any GraphQL exploration tool. Query the manufacturing data hub starting at any node and traverse through any set of relationships to get only the data that you need. The Rhize API is not subject to overfetching issues, and there are no complex SQL joins that require weeks of development and testing. If your GraphQL query result is a bit off, no worries, just edit and rerun until you get it right. For even the most complex operational queries, development time is reduced from weeks to minutes. Once your queries are complete, your applications can subscribe to queries and get the payload refreshed automatically on data change events. The combination of an ontology, a GraphQL API, and a workflow engine enables truly iterative and user-centric legacy application replacement. Your data, operational logic, events, and data transformations are all managed inside the Manufacturing Data Hub, allowing your user interface to finally be the simplest thing in the stack, just like it should be. This allows you to determine the design and flow of your user interfaces without the opinions of a software vendor influencing the design process. Your MES and MOM layer probably has a lot of legacy applications that need to be strangled out. Starting with the highest priority use case. Define your use case requirements. Map the required data onto the ontology. Design and develop your process workflow. Build your application queries. Work with your operators to design, develop, test, and refine the user interfaces that they need to interact with the process. As you complete each use case, the process gets easier, quicker, and more cost-effective because of the singular nature of the ontology. In the next part of the series, we'll explain how that's possible.